What's up, y'all? We have an unboxing. I've actually done a few unboxing videos in the past few weeks, and I never actually released them or finished them or whatever. So I'm really gonna do this unboxing because it has been so long, and I have a nice, mostly clean table here to do it on. So here we go. Random boxing and unstocking and stocking and unboxing video. Yay! Random unboxing video. It's actually a rather light box for it to be so expensive. A lot of key blanks in here, so we've got a lot of key blank stocking to do. It has been a few minutes since I ordered design and colored keys, so that is mostly what's in here. We'll come over here. Alrighty, y'all. Rubber heads. 1 1/4 paper tags, paper metal ring tags. Yeah, they just threw all these keys in here. So actually, let us move over here to do this part. We're gonna do this on the front counter because most of the stuff in here actually goes right there on the wall. So we're just gonna do this way. Okay. Actually, I got a few new items today too. Well, okay. Start off GTI chip. GTI chip. GTI chip for RW4. Those are not the martinis I was thinking they were. I wanted to order these martinis. However, that gives us a new design to put up on the wall. So great. Dang it. Okay. KW11 black. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's just start laying them out here because there's a lot of them. Red quick set. Smiley face quick set. Firefighter Schlag. Puppies quick set. Queen quick set. Cards, that's a new design. I get to do an Instagram post. I get to do an Instagram post. American flag quick set. Green Schlag. There's cards quick set. There's green Schlag. There's cherries. Oh yay, I needed those really bad because I have not had them. And some more, they call this women camo. Some more of those. National. We sell quite a few of these little keys. Dice quick set. More dice quick set. Blue quick set. Gray quick set. Queen, finally, Queen quick set keys. Should have several of those. Hearts, Moon and Stars. There is a Toyota shell. I should have 3 of these. More puppies. More gray quick set. Kittens. Kittens. Couple more shells for Ford. B1179 1D4.
Bingo.
You know who. We've been waiting on these for a while for that lady. Quick set. American flag.
I didn't win bingo?
Camo, no. Camo quick set. Red quick set and blue quick set. lanyards. Yay, we have a scissors. Dear.
Here, catch.
Thank you. Everest key, C145. Yay. And a couple of new items. Oh, wait, one more set of keys. Camo, quick set. Now that we know we can get these, oh, that's kind of stupid. Storage capsule, keychains, the metal kind. Those are bigger than they used to be. They used to be a lot smaller than
I was
that.
gonna say, you used to be able to get 5 little leaves in that little capsule.
Perfectly, yeah. Must be a lot bigger around.
Now you can get 10.
And we have us a guy keychain now, maybe. Actually, that's pretty cool little keychain for the cost. Paracord, ever popular. And look, it's got a flat. Look, it's got a flat key ring too instead of a regular key ring. And these are a lot bigger than I thought they were going to be, but we do have a lot of rednecks that might want them. Fish hook key carriers. Clip it in your pocket. So, there we go. That's it. Here, dear. Oh, wait, let's leave it right here and go ahead and throw all the plastic.
Bye, guys.
Yeah, there we go. So, basically, all retail stuff. Okay, now let's fast forward this.
Did you say Happy Friday? Hi, guys. Happy Friday.
Happy Friday. Now we're gonna hang keys. And put our national keys up. And a few of these need to go in my kit in the truck, so I'm actually going to take 4 of them. Okay, we got to put the 1Ds up, and they're hold on, way up there. Somewhere, all right, there. Automotive. Missing my tag for these. Schlag Everest. I know Jet makes an Everest key, but we stick with the OEM on the Everest. We sold quite a few of these. We've got several customers with them. That'll fill that hook up nicely. Crazy. Got it. Okay, hold on. Oh. It's just gonna make it hard to get those off. I got a price on it still. Kim doesn't like it when I put stuff on the wall and don't price it.
What?
What?
What'd you say?
I didn't say nothing.
I didn't know you get coffee.
I'm going to get coffee. I'm finishing up this unboxings and stockings video.
You got stockings in this video?
Stockings. We're stockings this. Alright, let's price these things. That silly thing. That thing's that expensive? Okay. We need to show all the rednecks that. Okay, I don't like that one.
Why did you buy those pigs?
Those pigs?
Yes, those pigs have sat there. Nobody likes those pigs. Hey.
Well, you never know about some of this stuff. Sometimes the crap sells and sometimes it doesn't. In this
Pigs
case,
aren't selling.
the pigs didn't sell.
Don't get any more pigs.
I can give them away in random giveaways.
That's true, but I'm sure nobody wants a pig. Hate to pop your bubble and all, but little girlfriend, you need to shave.
Shh, we're recording, baby. Don't be talking about people.
She still needs to shave.
Oh, that was not a bad price at all. Huh. For what you get, it's not bad. We'll go $3.99.
Oh, my flowers are not developing. I think they like things.
And lastly, the storage capsule.
My gardenia dried up.
Sounds like a problem.
Makes me sad.
Yeah, maybe we're gonna be $4.99. Probably just more spam. Okay, that is it, y'all. Thanks for watching our random stocking and unboxing and then stocking. We are all done, and just gonna kind of touch up the retail board here. Probably should have ordered some more of these, but I didn't. We've got a guy that comes in and buys a bunch of these at one time, and some of these. Should have bought some more. I bought another cart of that for sure. Huh, all right, there we go. New stuffs. New stuffs. Thanks for watching, y'all. If you have any questions or comments about any of the stuff that we went over in this video, please feel free to leave it in the comment section. Otherwise, y'all have a great day. Catch you next video. Yay.